A 10-inch Knipex Cobra retails for $55. A 10-inch Doyle Fast Adjust water pump plier retails for $21. The jaw hardness difference between them is 5 Rockwell points. The price difference is 162%. 5 specialty pliers, 5 supply chains, 5 times the tool industry is charging you for a logo. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones. Number 1. The Japanese screw extractor, Engineer PZ58. Here's a problem every tradesman has faced and never fully solved. A screw head is stripped, not slightly worn, completely gone. The slot is a smooth crater. Your flathead slides off. Your Phillips spins. Your impact driver makes it worse. You are now 20 minutes into a job that should have taken 2, and the only options left are a drill out or a screw extractor set that chews through bits faster than it chews through fasteners. The Engineer PZ58 was designed in Osaka, Japan, specifically for this moment. The jaw geometry is patented. Vertical serrations nested inside horizontal serrations cut into a curved jaw profile that is engineered to do one thing: bite into a damaged screw head and rotate it out. Not grip around it, not clamp beside it, bite directly into the destroyed metal and extract it. The steel is hardened to 60 HRC. The spring-loaded elastomer handle resets the jaw automatically between attempts. There is a wire-cutting blade built into the pivot. This is a precision instrument built by a company called Engineer Inc., a specialist manufacturer based in Osaka that has been producing extraction tooling for decades. Now here's where the supply chain gets interesting. Walk into any tool retailer in North America, and you will find this exact tool sold under the name Vampliers. Red handles, English packaging, a premium price point sitting between $35 and $45. The marketing positions it as a specialty innovation. The branding is clean. The product photography is excellent. The Vampliers VT-001 and the Engineer PZ-58 are mechanically identical. Same factory, same steel, same patent, same spring mechanism, same jaw geometry. The only difference is the handle color and the country the box was printed in. The OEM Engineer PZ-58 is available directly for $17 to $25. So that is a brand markup index of over 105% on a product where zero manufacturing difference exists. You're not buying a better tool when you buy Vampliers. You are buying red handles and North American shelf placement. If you need a compact version for electronics work, M2 to M4 micro screws and tight assemblies, the PZ-57 is the smaller sibling. If you need extended reach for deep fasteners and confined spaces, the PZ-77 adds length, though you trade some leverage in the process. The PZ-58 is the standard. It is the one that belongs in every tool bag, and it costs less than a fast food lunch for 2. Number 2. The flexible cable, hose clamp plier, Astro Pneumatic 9409A. Modern engine bays were not designed for human hands. Manufacturers pack cooling systems, vacuum lines, and intake assemblies into spaces that assume the technician has the reach of a child and the patience of a saint. Spring tension hose clamps sit behind intake manifolds below coolant reservoirs, beside firewall brackets, in positions where a standard plier cannot physically reach the clamp, let alone compress it. The Astro Pneumatic 9409A solves this with a heavy-duty flexible steel cable connected to a ratcheting plier handle. You compress the handle. The cable transmits that force around corners, through gaps, past obstructions, directly to a remote jaw set that compresses the clamp and holds it open while you work. The ratchet locks the position. You use both hands for the hose. The tool holds the clamp. The engineering behind this is covered under U.S. Patent number 6,370,985B1. The specific innovation is a re-engineered double-gear lock lever with wider, deeper teeth than earlier designs. That detail matters because the failure point on cheaper cable clamp tools is always the same. The lock slips under tension, and the clamp snaps shut on your fingers. The Astro design addressed that failure mode directly in the patent. Astro Pneumatic Tool Company is a family-owned importer based in South El Monte, California. They manage design and quality control domestically. Manufacturing is handled by specialized facilities in Taichung, Taiwan, the same industrial region that produces tooling for professional-grade brands across the global market. Now compare this to what the tool trucks are selling. Mac Tools and Matco carry flexible cable hose clamp pliers under their premium house brands. The retail price sits between $120 and $130. The jaw hardness on the Astro 9409A measures approximately 52 HRC. The tool truck equivalent measures within a few Rockwell points of that. The performance gap is minimal. The price gap is 156%. The 9409A retails for $45 to $55. It comes with a lifetime warranty on the forged plier body. There is one more detail worth knowing. The cable and spring are wear items. On most tools, when the cable frays or the spring fatigues, the tool is finished. Astro sells a rebuild kit, the 9409 ACA, for approximately $14.90. You replace the cable assembly. The forged body continues working. That is not a feature most tool companies advertise because it eliminates a future sale. Astro built it in anyway. For full cooling system work, the AST 94006 7-piece kit adds flat band, angled, and click-R collar variants. But the 9409A is the one that earns its place in the bag on the first job it solves. Number 3. The Fast Adjust Water Pump Plier. Doyle 10-inch. Knipex built the Cobra. For decades, that was the answer to every question about water pump pliers. Induction-hardened teeth at 60 HRC, slim profile, precise adjustment, German engineering with a price to match, $55 to $65 depending on the retailer. Then Harbor Freight developed the Doyle brand to compete directly with professional-grade European tooling. And they sourced it from Taichung, Taiwan, specifically from high-precision manufacturing plants including Proxene Tools, a facility that produces hand tools to GS and ISO standards for global distribution. The Doyle 10-inch Fast Adjust Water Pump Plier uses a push-button rapid adjustment mechanism and right-angle V-jaws that are induction-hardened to approximately 55 HRC. Independent testing by platforms including Project Farm placed the Doyle near the top of structural integrity rankings across multiple plier comparison tests, performing alongside European manufactured tools at a fraction of the cost. The jaw hardness gap between the Doyle and the Knipex Cobra is 5 Rockwell points. 5 points. On a scale where the difference between tool steel and mild steel spans 30 points, 5 points represents a marginal variance in tooth wear over extended heavy use. For most tradespeople running these pliers through standard daily work, that variance will never manifest as a functional difference. The Doyle retails for $19 to $22. The Cobra retails for $55 to $65. The performance ratio is over 91% of the premium tool's material hardness at 38% of the cost. And when the Doyle eventually shows wear, which it will because all tools wear, Harbor Freight's walk-in lifetime warranty means you hand it across the counter and walk out with a replacement. No shipping, no claim number, no waiting period. That warranty structure changes the long-term cost calculation entirely. The Doyle comes in 3 sizes: the 8-inch for tight spaces and light industrial work, the 10-inch as the standard for plumbing, electrical, and general contracting, the 12-inch for heavy industrial and high-torque automotive applications. The 10-inch is where the value is sharpest. Number 4, the Ergonomic Offset Pistol Grip Plier. Quinn 8-inch. There is a geometry problem that most plier designs ignore entirely. When you reach into a deep cavity, behind a dashboard, inside a junction box, under a sink cabinet, a straight plier forces your hand directly into the line of sight. Your knuckles block your view. Your wrist bends at an angle that reduces grip strength. You are working blind and weak simultaneously. The pistol grip design solves this by offsetting the jaws at an angle relative to the handles. The jaw reaches into the cavity. The handle stays outside it. Your hand is clear of the work area. Your sight line is open. Your wrist is in a neutral position. The ergonomics are not a marketing claim. They are a mechanical consequence of the geometry. Snap-on understood this and built the 612 AEP. It is an exceptional tool. It retails for $100 to $130 on the tool truck. Weekly payment plan available. Harbor Freight sourced geometrically equivalent versions from Taiwanese and Chinese casting houses for the Quinn line. The drop-forged steel and mechanical joints on the Quinn 8-inch deliver smooth, reliable operation. The jaw hardness measures approximately 54 HRC. The Snap-on 612 AEP sits in the same range. The functional difference for the vast majority of applications is negligible. The Quinn 8-inch retails for exactly $10. The brand markup index on the Snap-on equivalent is over 900%. That number is not a typo. You are paying 6.5 times more for the same offset geometry, the same jaw function, and a tool truck logo. One purchasing note worth flagging. Harbor Freight runs its Spring Black Friday event annually, typically beginning in early April, with a flat 35% discount across the Doyle, Icon, and Quinn lines. The Quinn 8-inch pistol grip drops to approximately $7 during that window. At $7, this tool becomes a rounding error on any job estimate. Buy two. Number 5. The Smooth Jaw Parallel Plier Wrench. Icon PWG10. Every other plier on this list grips by clamping serrated teeth into a workpiece. That works on pipe. It works on hex stock. It destroys polished brass fittings, chrome-plated hardware, and soft aluminum components. The teeth leave marks. The marks are permanent. The plier wrench solves this with a cam mechanism that keeps the jaws perfectly parallel throughout the entire adjustment range. The jaws close flat. The contact surface is smooth. The 10-to-1 leverage ratio means the clamping force is substantial, enough to hold a fitting securely, but distributed evenly across the jaw face rather than concentrated at serration points. The result is a tool that grips without marking. For plumbers working on visible chrome fixtures, for mechanics handling aluminum fittings, for anyone who has ever watched a standard plier ruin a polished surface, this is the tool that should have been in the bag years ago. Knipex held the market monopoly on this design for decades. When the core patents expired, high-tier Taiwanese manufacturers entered the space. The primary manufacturer behind Harbor Freight's Icon line is Cabo Tool Company, headquartered in Fengyuan District, Taichung, Taiwan. Cabo is not a budget casting house. Cabo is a major OEM supplier that has produced double-flex ratcheting wrenches and specialty hand tools for Matco, Carlisle, and Mac tools. The same company supplying the tool trucks is supplying the Icon line. The Icon PWG10 jaw hardness measures 56 HRC. The Knipex plier wrench sits at approximately 60 HRC. The performance ratio is over 93% of the premium tool's material hardness. The Icon PWG10 retails for $35 to $40. The Knipex equivalent retails for $80 to $95. The Matco version sits higher still. The Icon line carries Harbor Freight's walk-in lifetime warranty. The same counter, the same no questions replacement. On a tool this precise, that warranty matters. The pattern connecting all 5 is the same pattern. Engineer Incorporated built a patented extraction jaw, and a North American importer put red handles on it and tripled the price. Astro Pneumatic sourced a patented cable clamp design from Taichung, and the tool trucks copied the form factor and charged 3 times more. Proxene built water pump pliers to ISO standards, and Knipex's 5-point hardness advantage became a 162% price premium. Cabo Tool Company built parallel jaw wrenches for Matco and Mac tools, and then built the same tool for Icon at a third of the cost. The markup is not engineering. The markup is distribution layers, marketing budgets, tool truck financing programs, and brand equity built over decades of aggressive sales tactics. The 4 tests still apply. Check the steel hardness rating. Inspect the machining tolerances on the joint construction. Read the country of origin and understand what it actually means. Taichung. Taiwan is not a quality compromise. It is a precision manufacturing hub operating to the same standards as the facilities supplying the premium brands. And give the tool a year of real work before you decide what it is worth. And the tradespeople who know these 5 tools tend not to advertise it. They buy the Engineer PZ58 and let the apprentice struggle with the Vampliers. They run the Doyle alongside the Knipex and watch the results speak. They hand the Icon PWG10 to a skeptic and wait for the silence that follows. They were never looking for a brand. They were looking for a tool that does the job and does not ask for attention. If you have a specialty tool that punches above its price, drop it in the comments. Tell us what it replaced and how long it has lasted. Help the next tradesman find the gold mine he is walking past every time he opens a tool catalog. Subscribe if you have not. This channel follows the factory, not the logo.